Let's regroup here. We're going to write out the expression again. We got 0 to 2 pi and 0 to 3, and we have r squared to 9, and then we're going to do r squared cosine theta dz dr d theta. Okay, so let's integrate this with respect to z. So that's going to, since there's no z terms, this is going to become simply z r squared cosine theta from r squared to 9. And I'm going to put a little bracket right here. And we'll go ahead and integrate that inside here, the brackets. We got here 9 r squared cosine theta minus, that's r squared times r squared, so we got r to the 4th cosine theta, and then all that, close bracket. It's going to get a little pinched in here. d r d theta. So let's rewrite that again just to make it neater. So we're left with 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 3, 9 r squared cosine theta minus r to the 4th cosine theta dr d theta. Okay. Let's proceed to integrate with respect to r. Doing this here. So let's integrate between 0 to pi and integrate this. So we're left with, this is going to become 9 r cubed over 3. We'll cancel this and it becomes 3 cosine theta minus r to the 5th over 5 cosine theta between 0 and 3. I'm just going to rewrite this real quick to make it a little neater. You get the idea there. You got a 3 on the bottom, it cancels with the 9. And we're left with a 3r cubed cosine theta minus r to the 5th over 5 cosine theta. Now let's use our limits here to calculate that. So we're going to be left with 0 to 2 pi, and we got 3 times 3 cubed cosine theta minus 3 to the 5th over 5 cosine theta d theta. Now let's simplify this real quick. This 3 to the 3rd is 27 times 3 is 81, and 3 to the 5th is, what is that? It's just 81 times 3, 243, and let's just take one more step here, clean this up a little bit too. Pi. So we got 81. Let's just convert these to like terms. So 81 times 5 over 5 is going to be 405 over 5. And then we're going to subtract that from the 243 over 5. And all this is times 1 cosine theta. So 405 minus 243, what do we got there? Equals a grand total of 162 over 5 cosine theta. Okay, so we're going to do this. An extra set of brackets in there. There, now it's still legal. Okay, one last step, and hopefully finish on this line. From 0 to 2 pi, integrate 162 fifths cosine theta with respect to theta. Okay, integrate that, it equals 162 over 5, we'll pull that constant out. Integral, integrate cosine theta, sine theta, between 2 pi and 0 equals 162 over 5 and sine of 2 pi minus sine of 0. This is 0. This is 0. 0 times 162 over 5 equals 0. And there's the final answer. This right up here